Hi guys and welcome back. Right, okay, we was at this church last night in POUNDSTOCK in Cornwall. Gemma did a video there on the GhostTube app. We uploaded that and I had a full spectrum video being made. I had the camera out. Unfortunately didn't film any, so we're back tonight with the night vision and the full spectrum. And if you see anything, hear anything we don't, please let us know. But unfortunately we have turned up here and they're doing some bell ringing, so we've got no torches. We're just relying on the actual screen. We can't see anything in front of us. Yeah. Gemma's got hold of me tail because I'm an elephant. That come out wrong, didn't it? That's the entrance to the... Yeah, that's the entrance. Flipping Jesus. I hope we can't get done for copyright on this, can we? Hey?
It's on that when you get married, isn't it?
Right. I think we've come at the wrong time. Yeah. There's the entrance. I suppose we can have a walk there. Shall we have a walk down to the... have a walk around? Yeah. What are you holding me for? Right, there's a bit of a dodgy corner around here. So what's that there? That's an entrance to someone's house, I think. Can't be. Oh. God, it's freaky. This is absolutely freaky. We can't see anything in front of us. We're walking around a blooming church. And yeah, but I can't see anything.
Just your blue light.
Just my blue light.
In the carpet by that corner, they're not going to see us.
That's it, we're goners.
What's down that to the left of you?
That?
No, to the left of you now. What's that down there? Is that the way down to the top?
Yeah, this is the road, this is. Going down that hill. Shit.
I can't fit it the road.
That's the where we spun around in the day. The road, it's right down, look.
That's a weird feeling when you can't see it.
Crikey. Now that's freaky, isn't it?
It is going down. It's a weird feeling, isn't it? You can't see it.
Right, I'm going to show you how dark it is. That's how dark it is. What was that?
I'm putting my phone torch on.
My fucking God. Now, if this gets the spirits going, I don't know what.
So scary.
Guys, if you see or hear anything, any white shadows or anything, give us a shout. Right, this is frightening. This is frightening. Yeah. On the side of the road. Can't come in. Oh, there's loads of cars here, look. Just parking up. Yeah, we'll just walk around. Yeah. Right, there's loads of cars down here. That's the hall there that we're hoping to get a paranormal investigation in. We've emailed the company to see if we can get a paranormal investigation going in there. It's pretty busy down here. That's the well. It's full, isn't it? Yeah. Well, we're going to walk through the graveyard now. Yeah. Guys, if you see or hear anything, give us a shout. I was going to get the full spectrum out, but it ain't happening. Hey?
Do an investigation in the cemetery, I think. Just
yeah. Well, I'll cut through here, and then we'll go and do a investigation in the other cemetery. No. You watch a load of people come out now. Hey. See, that's the hall there. It's got a lot of history. Here we've got somebody coming up now. Yeah, they have, haven't they? Hello? Yeah. It is, isn't it? Right. This is where we come yesterday. We put a video down. Gemma had the ghost tube app. So we've come back today. Unfortunately, we didn't know it is bell practice. But we'll make it back up. And we'll go to the other graveyard. The cemetery. Yeah, the new one. Fucking hell. Do you know what? It's nice, but it's scary. It's fucking scary. Cool.
I tell you what, if these lights weren't on, it would really dark.
Oh, wouldn't it? Yeah. What I'm going to do, I'll put this. I bet you could see it that better. I don't know. My heart's beating right now. You don't expect it, do you? That is crazy. So this is Poundstock Church. St Withelow's Church, Poundstock. Whew. My heart's beating like crazy. Shall we turn the lights off? Shall we? Just to be a little devil.
No, go back to the church lights up at night.
Well, all of them off.
Yeah, I did
Can't see what I'm doing. Well, that was unexpected. Very unexpected. Now we're going to go and
the cemetery.
we're going to go to the cemetery.
Might feel a bit quieter now.
Just a little.
In the sense of no church bells. So.
Yeah. My crikey, it's
Where
pitch
is it?
dark.
Remember?
Yeah, it's near up here, isn't it? Do you want to turn your light off?
No,
Come on.
it's for safety.
Yeah, I know, but
Can't come down. Could be coming down when I put the lights on. And it's over.
I kid you not, it is pitch dark. It's pitch black. It's here, isn't it?
Don't know, but I can't see.
Yeah. Just put your torch there. That's it.
I swear I heard something around with them.
Right, guys. There's not many graves here in this graveyard, but I kid you not, it can be really, really spooky. What was that touching me?
I'm to because I can't see a thing.
Right, what I'm going to do, you just grab that.
What, the camera?
Yeah. Just pointing in front of you, and I'm going to strike up the. Just going to check my blood sugars.
Oh! That might be an orb.
Kid you not? No?
It come flying down, whee, like that. That might be the second one then.
Right, what I'm going to do.
It didn't look like a bug. So I'm focusing on 3, I think the black headstone's just there. What's that noise?
Right. I've got the.
Oh, it's gone misty all of a sudden.
I've got the full spectrum on the go.
Yeah.
I just want to turn this. Just put your light on a minute, so I can see that. Right. I've got the. Right, what I have brought with me tonight. I brought some.
Oh, you've scared me then.
Hey, what?
I didn't expect them green lights up.
Just green lights, but they're no good.
No, you can't pick them up on this camera.
Right.
Oh!
Is it an aeroplane? That's
No, I
all.
think that's a bug.
There's a
Car going down.
Oh. There's no point of putting the ghost tube back on because you're not going to see hear anything.
Just walk behind me again. Just go to the left of me. Oh no, it's fine. Yeah, debunked. I saw a black shadow, it was you.
Right, I'm going to go this way.
Is that me? That's me. Oh yeah, I'll go the way I don't know where I'm walking. You haven't got torch, can't walk on the grass. Oh, it's going down again the path. It doesn't show you how much it's going down. It's sloping. Ashamed of it.
Oh, it's you!
I'm trying to keep level this path going right down. It doesn't show justice of how this slope is going down. That an orb then? Oh, that's an orb that has come down. Oh, yeah. Nearly jumped. Is that a light this one? Is that the... Probably the church lights.
I can see you, it says.
Well, I can't see you.
You can see me. How many of you are there? How many spirits? How many spirits can see us?
I'm going to the end of the path. End of the path. Ooh. To the end of the path. This is so scary because I can't see anything around me or in front of me. I'm just going by what's on this little screen. I thought you had a torch on then, it says night vision. Yeah, I do. It's like you can't. I hear things around me, but you can't see anything.
No,
I'm just concentrating on this screen.
I'm hearing things.
I'm focusing on this screen. That's it. I'm not even attempting.
I don't even think I've got to keep my that can go in my pocket because there's no point in having a spirit talker up or anything on it. And I think this music is
Church
I
bells.
reckon this church bells are generating a lot of. Can you just hold that a minute?
Where are you?
Just hold.
What am I holding?
Just hold that. Well, I'll just put that in my pocket. I think there's a lot of energy coming off the church bells.
Oh, what was that? Oh, I've had to look. Oh,
Do you know what? There's a lot going on in here.
oh, that's like footsteps near us.
Exactly. I'm hearing a lot here.
Oh, my heart. I felt like somebody walked right up to the front of me. Oh, was that a flash?
What was that in front of this car?
Looked like an orb, a flash.
Right, please, Lord, please protect me, Gemma, and please protect any of the equipment from any entities, good or bad, trying to attach themselves to us anyway. Please protect us any way you can. Thank you, Lord. Amen. Right, if there are any spirits here, you are not allowed to attach yourselves to us anyway. You don't have to touch us, anything.
But I would say that majority of you in here know what this is, a camera.
Yeah. You're not allowed to
because
follow
it's
us.
quite a what was it, 1999 the cemetery
Yeah.
was
We're
started.
here just to. We're here documenting.
So you know how a camera works.
Yeah.
So if you want to come in front of it and show yourself. Or even say something in front of the camera, it might pick you up that we can't hear. Would it do that?
Well, I don't know, but you've just made me jump.
I'm walking backwards.
You what?
I'm walking backwards. Oh, where are you? I can't see where I'm going. Why do I get
I'm
to
sure
walk?
I saw a shadow over there. What? Is that like a shadow person of a male and female? Right? Are you here? Unfortunately, devices that we're using to pick up the voices.
That's a bug.
Because we can't hear beyond the bells. So we don't mean in the heart. What the fuck is that? I can hear. Over there.
What are you doing? Where are you?
Hey.
That's nice and quiet for you.
Right, now the oh,
A minute.
can you make a noise? This must be one of the spookiest graveyards I've been in. Considering there's not many graves.
I think it's because it's in the middle of nowhere. It's really dark, there's no street light.
I keep hearing.
Why do I keep getting here and that hearing footsteps?
Oh, if you see them here, there's a car coming up.
There's a handle. Do you know how hard it is to walk up steps that you can't see? Can you walk around it?
No?
Can you walk around it? Let's have a look. Ooh, gravel. This is where I'm going to walk off the edge now. This is so risky. I hope the steps on the other side. Can't.
Well, this is going to be 2 second video again.
Where's the... Can I get... Oh, what's that?
It's a lot freakier than the graveyard in...
I think I'm walking on the wrong thing. Look. Does this go up? Oh. Oh, that's level.
That's weird.
That was hard. That was hard walking.
Oh, weird.
Yeah, I went up 4 steps. And I just walked up 1 then. I'm so quiet.
That's just so nice. Says me.
This is when you get to walk past the gate now.
Did you hear that?
No, what?
I heard a man
You
go.
look at the gate.
I heard a man go. I kid you not.
I was focusing on the gate.
Did I hear a man? That was so weird. We're not here to harm you or anything. well, we can't harm you, can we? But we're just documenting the past. I don't know what, I can't see anything on my screen, so I don't know what I'm looking at.
All my fingers are so freezing.
The cold.
Yeah, freezing.
But there's a lot of history here. I think that church over there is stood on another. Is it stood on another ground?
It's, what did I say? 3. It's like it's been reconstructed and that.
Yeah.
It's like 3 different times, 3 different
Yeah.
in history times in history.
Yeah.
It starts on the Doomsday, on
Yeah.
the Doomsday
But
book or something.
there's a lot of history on this land, and also that hall that's down there. There's a lot of history there, isn't there?
Yeah. I heard something of them.
Right, guys, if you've seen or heard anything that we haven't, remember, I'm telling you now, this is freaky, this place. I feel like someone stood next to me.
Yeah, I keep feeling like branches breaking near me.
I feel like there's somebody. Right, you're not allowed to follow us. You're not allowed to attach yourselves to us anyway and follow us. You must stay this side of this gate. You must stay this side of the gate. Right. I just want to say thank you, Lord. Thank you for protecting me, Jenny, and the equipment, and any entries good or bad. Trying to touch yourself to us anyway. Thank you, Lord, for protecting us. Thank you, Lord. Amen.
Why are church gates so noisy?
I really don't know.
Not sure. It's shut. It's locked. Can't see anything.
Just move your light away, and I'm just going to show everybody what it's like. That's what we're seeing.
You're down to 1 battery on here.
We'll be alright until we get up here. I can't remember where the car's there.
It's here.
We'll end the video just here in a minute.
Yep. Oh, there's a puddle.
Yep. We don't even know what history this bit of land's got had on it. This is where we've got our car. There's not something. Right guys, I'm going to leave you on this video. Please like and subscribe. If you've seen or heard anything we haven't, please comment. Leave in the description. Right guys, I'm going to try and switch you off. See you later. Right, that's that one off. Right.
All my fingers are frozen.
Why not? Right guys, we'll see you on the next video. I hope you've seen, I hope you heard something that we haven't beyond the bells of the church. Now if you have, plenty of comments, and we'll see you guys on the next video. We're hoping to get to what's the church filming? The castle, sorry.
It'd be a surprise.
Oh, it's a surprise. Gemma's sorting out a surprise for us, and it's a night paranormal investigation.
Let's say, I don't think anybody's been there to do a paranormal investigation, have they?
I don't think so.
There is-
No, there isn't. No one's been there.
They've had a lot of paranormal going on, but no one's investigated, so we're going to be the first people to investigate it. So that's why it's top secret.
And it's going to be on YouTube, and it's going to be the first on YouTube.
We've got a couple lined up.
Yeah.
We're just arranging times at the moment, days,
Yeah.
when we can get there.
We've actually got one on this site here, at that medieval hall or whatever it is down there. That's going to be a blinder, because there's meant to be two spirits there.
The Guild Hall, they do a lot of paranormal investigations there anyway. So.
And there's two lovers that lost their lives.
Yeah.
So we're hoping to get contact with them.
But the one that we're hoping to go to first really is top secret. We'll be the first people there.
Yeah.
And we will have a guest as well, who's going to come along with us on our investigation.
Oh yeah, yep, that's right.
The lady obviously who volunteers there, but she's going to be our first guest on our video.
And there's going to be multiple cameras all dotted around the site, so they'll be taking different videos of different part of the site.
Yeah, because we'll be locked in the area, so everything's going to be safe.
And also there'll be loads of security guards there as well,
Yeah.
to stop the public from coming in.
It will be locked.
It's going to be... We've got something going on. Yeah, I heard something. It's like I heard that bloke. I heard a bloke talk earlier on.
That's me like, behind us. But like at a distance, but behind us. Yeah, I think we've finished now because I'm getting... I'm getting spooky.
Yeah, it's getting spooky now. So remember, like and subscribe, plenty of comments, and yeah, just tap that like button as well. Till then, we'll see you soon. Cheers.
Is that noise?
Oh, no, what are you
There's
doing?
noises everywhere.
I can't find the button to switch it off. I can't find it. Yeah, we got it. We're hearing noises around us. I guarantee you we'll switch this camera off, we can hear something.
I think that's our cue to leave. Yeah, I think we should leave.
Right.